Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's the 27th of June, 2023. We're going to talk about Aave today and try to figure out what is the buzz about this particular cryptocurrency, because the market, I would say over the last week or so, has been going up extremely high from where it was. It was recently trading at $48 on the 10th of June, and here it is the 27th. So 17 days later, the market is up there around $65. Let's go ahead and talk about it, okay? Now, before I get started, you guys can see that I did a price prediction in Aave on March the 14th. Here it is. And you guys can see that I was playing the market move to the upside, but I wasn't massively bullish. And in fact, that is precisely where the market in Aave has seen selling and price completely went down. This is where the high came into the market after we did our video in Aave. So it's fantastic that we can actually gauge as to how high price can go when you're bullish. See, we didn't overextend ourselves in our price prediction, not looking for price to hit like $96 or $100. No, we said maybe we could get $83 out the market in Aave, and that's exactly what the market did. So congratulations to those who was able to bag 9.8% out the market. Now let's talk about what's been going on to the market in Aave of late. I'm going to go ahead and extend the support line down here, because this is still being maintained as a support area into the market in Aave. Next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to take this other horizontal line and I'm going to show you that price in Aave is still getting rejected from a downtrend. Okay, we saw price in Aave recently get rejected here on the 25th of June. The last time it got rejected was back here in mid-April. Okay, so this line is very important. We cannot become massively bullish in the market in Aave until we see this price break above that descending line. Here's Aave on a 2-day chart real quick. Take a look. This is currently resembling selling coming into the market in Aave. This is where the selling began, and we're still seeing selling come to the market on this current 2 days. Now, I would tell you that it's good to see the spread on this current 2-day price bar not as wide as its previous one. It kind of tells us that the market's getting acclimated, used to trading around that $65 price. Okay, here it is on the 3-day chart. Here's Aave on the 5-day time frame as well. So again, we still need to be cautious because we don't like to see prices close this far away from the high of the bar. We still have 2 days and 14 hours left, but given the amount of volume that came in on this current 5 days, yeah, there's some selling coming to the market in Aave. So I'm going to tell you this straight. As we do see selling, we don't want to see the sellers take out $60 to the downside. We at least want to see the market buyers in Aave hold $60. Here's Aave on the weekly. Okay, take a look on the 2-weekly chart. Here's Aave on the 3, and here's Aave on the 5 weeks. Okay, monthly time frame, since we have 3 days left before the month of June ends, then we'll go ahead and show you this as well too. So it's kind of like a wash. This market is not breaking out in Aave. It's not right now, but it doesn't mean that we cannot anticipate prices in Aave trending up, going up higher in price. So here's Aave on the 7-hour chart. Check this out. You guys can see that price overall is still trending to the upside, which is why I really wanted to pinpoint and show you that market needs to hold $60. Let's look at this on the 3-hour chart. Let's go ahead and zoom in. You guys can see where the selling began into the market in Aave, and currently on this 3-hour chart, this is definitely where buyers are trying to hold the market right now. They're trying to do that right now in Aave. Let's look at this on the 15-hour time frame. Okay, not too bad. Let's look at this on the 11. And 330-minute chart. Okay, so what we're seeing into the market in Aave is this market trying to bottom out, which is right around here. This is where the market in Aave is trying to bottom out. It's trying to hold the sellers. So like $62.40 is where this market is trying to bottom, which is pretty good. We need to see that maintained though. And seeing how we don't have too much information regarding price in Aave able to do just that. I do look pretty good on the 90-minute. Look at this on the 30. This is where buyers came into the market precisely on the 30-minute chart. This tells you that this high volume and how the market closed off of the lows is telling you that this is where the buyer stepped in. Okay. So let's go ahead and do this. We're going to go ahead and play some strength into the market in Aave real quick. We're not going to be massively bullish, not yet, because we do know that we got this downtrend to contend with. Okay. So let me go ahead and put this on the chart. And like I told you, we want the market to hold $60 for Aave in order for us to continue to go forward with the idea that price is greater, has a greater chance to go higher than it does to go to the downside. We're going to extend it down just a little bit lower though. We'll do it around like $57. Okay. Now that first target is where we've already been, 70 bucks. Okay, that's our first target. That is around 8.15% move to the upside in Aave there. And the second target is going to be around like 74.16. Got it? So that is it. We'll go ahead and let the market continue to trade here in Aave. And if we get anything different in terms of weakness, market comes down, breaks $60 to the downside, then we will have to come back in and change up what's been going on. That's how you have to move into the markets in the cryptocurrency space. You cannot lax on your laurels. You got to continue to come through as we get more information and say, all right, cool. So obviously the market is not as bullish as what I thought it was. Now I need to switch up. Go ahead and give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.